Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Drea. Today I'll be teaching you how to do a smoky eye. If you are ready to look like a bad bitch, then just keep watching. So I already primed my eyelid with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And now what we're going to do, and for this smoky eye, I'm going to be using the Lorac Pro Matte Palette. And it looks like this. A Morphe blending brush. I'm not sure the name of this one because it rubbed off, but it looks like this. And I'm going to start off by using the color Bear and mixing it with a little bit of the color Linen. I tap it just on my brow bone. And now I'm going to grab the color Latte, and that will be my transition color. Slowly building this color to get it as dark as I want it to get. Slowly building that color by adding a little by little. And the transition color is going to help blend everything together. And now I'm going to grab a little bit of Bear and Linen back to my brow bone and mix both of the colors together. And now I'm going to use the color Corduroy, and that's going to go right under my transition color. Adding little by little. You want to start off by using little amounts of each color. You don't want to go too heavy-handed with it because then you'll end up looking like if you have a black eye. And you don't want to look like you have a black eye unless you want to look like you got fucked up. Now I'm going back in with the color Latte and adding that back in just in case we lost that color. And now I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate and adding that right under the color Corduroy. And I'm still using the same brush. You want to make sure that you're getting it in the inner corner too. You don't want to leave that blank. Okay, so just like that. And now I'm going to go back in with the color Corduroy and adding that again. And we're just doing this. That way everything blends perfectly and seamless in the end. Now I'm going to be using my Morphe M167 and packing on the black color, the color Jet Black from the palette. And you want to start off by packing it on the very lower part of the lid. You don't want to go too high because then that's what's going to create that's what's going to create like the black eye, as if you have a black eye, and I don't think you want that. So just keep it low. Just like that. And now I'm going to go in again with the color Chocolate with the same brush and blending the black into the color Chocolate. And your eye should be looking something like this. And now I'm going to use my color switch. I'm going to use my color switch to clean my blending brush and get rid of those dark colors because we're going back in with the light ones. So now once your brush is clean, we're gonna go back in. We're gonna go back in with the color Bear and Latte and adding that on the brow bone. and just patting it first and then blending. I'm going back in with the color Latte and adding it to the very top of the eye. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Morphe M506 blending brush. It's just a really tiny blending brush, and I'm going to use the color Corduroy and blend that on my bottom lash line. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is the third time I try to re-record this. I don't know what's going on. So the first time I recorded this, I was editing the full video and somehow I accidentally deleted part of it, which was the end on how to smoke out the bottom lash line. And then I know I've been needing to record this and post it for like 2 weeks now, and the reason I haven't been able to do that is because my ring light kind of broke in a way. It's missing a screw, so it's loose, and every time I try to record, like, the stand would like fall off and it was a mess. And then the third time, no, yeah, this is the fourth time actually. The third time I tried to record it, I was out of focus the entire time and you couldn't even see what I was doing at all. So here I am trying again. This is the second time in the same day today that I've been trying to do this and record it. Hopefully this time it comes out better because I'm feeling a little discouraged already. Today is Friday, so hopefully I'm able to record this and get it right this time and upload it for you guys today, hopefully. And I'm sorry if the lighting is a little different and if the eye looks different from the last video, and my ring light seems to be working better, so hopefully I don't have any issues this time around. Okay, so we already used this little blending brush, the Morphe M506, a little bit of Latte and Corduroy for the under eye. I'm just gonna run a little bit more of that. Okay. And then to really get it looking really smoky, I'm going to use this like eyeliner flat liner brush. So the highlight I use for the inner corner, it is the Becca highlight in the color Opal. I just used my Morphe R41 brush and I just highlighted the inner corner like so. And I believe I ran some on the brow bone a little bit. I usually don't really like to do that. I don't know. That's just me, but yeah. So there's that. There's that. And yeah. So I'm going to put my face on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching and bearing with me. I know I'm having some issues with my ring light, but I will try my best to get that fixed. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And thanks for watching. Bye.